Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Archer A64 with the Archer C64. Now they're completely different. Let me just show you right here. So same Wi-Fi speed, same range, same antennas, same capacity, MIMO beamforming, the airtime fairness, everything is the same. The only thing is that the Wi-Fi encryption, which is a little bit better for A64 but not much. So this is the thing. But other than that, everything else is just like completely the same. And I just want to make this quick video for you. If you're thinking about both of these, is it doesn't matter which one you're going to choose. You can even see it in picture. They are same. So yeah, so that's Archer C64 versus the Archer A64. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.